Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey with a Forex quick look. We're going to take a look at the New Zealand versus US dollar and Aussie versus US dollar in a 2-for-1 look from a technical perspective. Today's date is October 3rd, 2024. Let's get started. Let me start by taking a look at the hourly chart of the New Zealand versus US dollar. And what we've seen in trading here today is a rotation to the downside. That move to the downside has seen the price move below this swing area through here. The swing area is defined by a number of different swing low or highs, I should say, and then lows right through here. The price, you can see the ups and downs through here, using that level as a level of reflection or deflection. It wasn't until back here that we started to see some breaks above it, but each of the time the market broke above it, it quickly fell. And then we started to use this level again as more as a support through here. And in trading here today, we came down to it in the first hour of trading, then broke below it through here. So increased the bearish bias. In the process, we moved below the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, the 50% retracement of this last move to the upside, and also the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. Let me get rid of all these arrows so you can see it more clearly. That 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, that was the first break below that level going back to this date on August 16th. So it should have been something significant, but as you can see, the price moved down to the 61.8% retracement, and also this swing level. I'm going to put a horizontal line here right at that 61.8% retracement in the swing level and outline this swing high right here that then fell to the downside. We also had a swing high right here, which tried to hold that ceiling. Got a little wonky through here. This is, I think it was a Fed meeting days. But the last thing we did right here before moving to the upside was test not only the 100-hour moving average, but also that swing level before moving to the upside. So we moved back down toward that swing area. Also, added the 61.8% retracement of this move to the upside and found support buyers against that level on the last move to the downside after the data that we just saw that increased the US dollar, at least briefly. We are back above the 200 bar moving average after holding the 61.8% retracement. So it does seem like there's a little battle going on between the buyers down at support, and perhaps maybe we'll see some a rotation higher that takes the price back toward the 50% retracement, back toward the 100 bar moving average. So this area right through here is somewhat of a neutral area after the sharp move to the downside in New Zealand versus US dollar. So be aware of this resistance up here, support down here. Let's take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. We'll look at the hourly chart as well. In trading, not yesterday, but the day before, the price did fall below the 200-hour moving average. That was first break going back, to this day right here, back around September 16th. That was short-lived, and the price tried to stay above it, and did trade above it, and trading yesterday, trading in between the 100 and 200-hour moving average. So the market was looking for a break, and it got it in trading here today with the price moving below that level. And it was a little bit, slow at first, but then we started to gain more momentum to the downside. We moved back down to this swing area here, but fell short of the 38.2% retracement, which also corresponded with these lows through here. So we're in a tough level to get below, and I would expect that we do see support if we price. It should rotate back to the downside. The rising 100 bar moving average of the 4-hour chart is also in play. But right now, the close support we might look at is this level right here at the 0.6838 level. As mentioned, we did move a little bit below that level, but trying to find support. And you can see the number of different hourly bars here that we have been able to trade mostly above that level. So be aware of this level, break below it, and we head down toward the 38.2. Down toward the 100 bar moving average and these other swing levels through here. On the top side, we'll continue to watch this 0.6869 level, and above that the 200-hour moving average. Sellers are trying to make a play in the Aussie versus US dollar. We'll see if they can continue that momentum going through the day. That's my technical look at the New Zealand versus US dollar and the Aussie versus US dollar. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune to trading. Bye-bye now.